Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking.
The subject of today is
Delay.
delays. It's not as scary as you think,
It's not a four-letter word,
although many people kind of refer to it as one.
but it really isn't. So part of Remodel Your Thinking is our educating you on different aspects of remodeling, what we live through day in and day out, and trying to ease the pain or make it as less scary of an adventure for you to get into. So with that, delays, which if you have been watching the news in the last several months, you might notice that there's a lot of delays on things like appliances and material selections on a various type of projects.
Really everything, but there are certain things that
Yeah.
are even
more
delayed
so.
more than you would think.
Yeah.
Appliances are a typical one, lighting, plumbing.
Right.
There's a lot of construction-oriented materials. So.
No, absolutely.
So what you do is you just plan for those delays.
Right.
And we've actually always planned ahead of time. We've always made selections ahead of time. But now we're anticipating delays. So we have to plan logistically a little differently.
Yeah, and so most of the time we're doing a project that has a kitchen as part of the project. So for example, Mike mentioned appliances. A lot of these appliances can take 4, 5, sometimes 6 months to
Yep.
get in, where normally it was not that long. And we would always make selections ahead of time, but now like the minute the contract is signed, within 24 hours we're already making the deposit down on those appliances. So whether you're starting that project within that month, or sometimes we're even delaying the project a little bit in terms of, I said delay, we're moving the project a little further so that you're not having an idle kitchen while we're waiting on something. And lots of times we can work on other areas of the house.
Right.
We're doing with another project we're getting started on right now. That's a lot less invasive. It has nothing to do with the kitchen. So we're still being able to move forward. We have all the selections on order, and it's going to keep the project moving and on time.
Right. So it's a matter of logistically planning a little differently. That's all.
Yeah.
It's not scary. It's just delays are here, and they're going to be here for a long time. At least we think so.
Yeah, they're not going to go away in 2021. So if you're planning a project right now, or you're thinking about planning a project right now, it is okay. It doesn't mean that you would want to wait until 2022 if your mind is ready there to do it. But it's just something that you would want to talk to your remodeler about and make sure that
That he's aware, he or she is aware and can do it and anticipate.
And they're planning.
So anticipate delays. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's not a bad thing, but it is the way things are now. So just prepare. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of information on delays, and that they're not that bad.
Thank you so much, and we will see you next time on Remodel Your Thinking.
Bye-bye.